So guys, for the first step, you want to go into your BIOS. So you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. Once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Wait for this, which will then take us into this screen. Now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, UEFI firmware settings, and then click on restart. It's now going to take us into our BIOS. Now once we're in our BIOS, we have to disable CSM support, or it might be saying for you legacy support. I'm going to leave on screen right now what you need to do for your BIOS. Now once we're here, you want to find CSM support. Double click on CSM support. Make sure that you have this disabled. Once you disable CSM support, you should now be seeing Secure Boot. Double click on it. And now once we're here, you want to set Secure Boot to enabled. And that's it. We can now save and exit. Save and exit setup. And then click on yes. It's now going to take you back into Windows and it's now going to be enabled.